Personally, for me, I am beginning to understand the details of business progress and how things works in the market. You know, nobody talks about building being authentic in the market when it comes to business, dealing with people, and you know what business is all about. Okay, let me give you this hint. You know, you can build being authentic by trial and error, and you can build being authentic by doing the work and then coming to the market. One takes a longer time, one takes a shorter time. One produces a faster result, and one produces quite good number of results within the time these results are being made, according to the effort of every answer you have found and picked your pieces. Well, let's take it this way now. If you watch how markets operate when it comes to dealing with people, dealing with goods and services, or dealing with investors, there is something I want you to catch. When you understand goods and services, you understand dealing with people, that is psychology of human life, you will see that there are differences. You get me? There are differences. The way you approach somebody who has been your customer is not the way you approach somebody who you want the person to be your customer. And the way you still approach somebody who you want to build a relationship that will become your customer. You get it now? So, but that will be another day. I want to talk about this particular one that is important. How to build being authentic in business. You get me? So, build being authentic in business is the ability to understand that in the marketplace, how long it takes does not matter. What matters is how good you are. What is your competitive edge among or ahead of others? So, building being authentic is when you have done your research work, you have done your training, you have grown yourself, and you know what it takes to be a good commander in your field. You get it now? That is the first one of being authentic. The second one is you are doing it with trial and error, whether with little knowledge or not. You are building it with, like, you are showing up, not hidden. The other one is showing up, but hidden. When they say the person is locked in, but building in the secret. But the second one is building in public. That is the two ways to build being authentic. Building in secret and building in public. Now, the first one is building in public. The second one is building in the hidden. You get it? So, the one building in the hidden felt he needed every requirement to get all the whole knowledge he needs to meet up. You get it? While the second one is building with mistakes, trial and error, and every other thing that happens with him in the marketplace. You get it? So, now, the more the trial and error in the public, the more people buy his idea because he's failing forward. You get it now? So, sometimes building in public is good because somebody gets to correct you. And sometimes building in the hidden is good. The only thing that is not really good there is that someone might not get to correct you, except you have mentors you are submitted to when you are building in the hidden. So you can be building in hidden and be building nonsense. That's just the truth. And you can be building in public. While you are building nonsense, somebody can correct you. So these are the two ways to build being authentic. By building in public, by building in the hidden. But the hidden part is that within time, you can get to see that you have developed a lot of good connections, more than how you started. Now, but building in the hidden, you are good. So it will take you time again when you come to the public to start building good again with connections and network. So no matter how you are building stuff, learn one thing, which is building in public, building in the hidden. Remember, you need a trial and error method, which is, as I'm building this, as I'm making sure that I want to be a commander in the field of my skill or service or product, I need to get to the level where people don't need to doubt me to buy from me. You know, from every person that want to buy from you, there are little to doubt. So building in public helps to reduce the doubts. Building the hidden needs you to prove more when it comes to doubting you and trusting you. My name is JP Techuku. Believe that you are getting the gradual process. Stay blessed, stay good, stay jiggy. I'm waiting for you.